alright guys, welcome to another video from Classic Games United. Seen so many people having issues when updating the WWE 2K25 to 1.11. A lot of people complaining and seeing how the music is going and stuff. So I'm gonna try to see if I could fix that problem. You understand? Don't know what I'm doing, guys, but I'm gonna see if I could fix that issue for you guys and show you how to update the game correctly, right? So I'm gonna be using Parsec to connect to my friend PC because I don't have the game. The game cannot run for me because of AVX2. Alright, so this is my friend PC I'm using here, right? So I'm just going to show you guys. Alright guys, I'm back, right? So the only way maybe to fix this song issue here, we'll maybe have to back up the files here, just in case, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna back up the files. You have to get WinRAR, you have to download WinRAR and then add it to song, right? Just in case the files get corrupted, back up your files. Alright, so if you know that you modded your game and stuff with like song files and stuff, just back up the save files, because after the update, I don't think the update will update the songs. It's the same songs that you'll be using, right? So this is might be a long, hard process with backing up the song files, but this might be the only option to fix the problem, right? So before I update this game on this my friend's PC, and the reason I'm doing this, guys, because I remember I told you that the WWE 2K25 cannot work for me because of AVX2. That is a new feature that is need to run the game, and unfortunately it cannot work for me, right? So I'm using my friend PC to do this video because I've seen a lot of people having issues. Alright, so before I update the game, I will just back up the files just in case, right? It is very important to back up the files, back up every files, the song files, just in case. And after that, let's update the game and let me see what will happen, right? So stay tuned. Once this is finished, then we could start the rest of the tutorial, right? If you want to download WinRAR, just go to here. Let's type in WinRAR in Google Chrome. And just go to here, go to download and find which WinRAR is for you by the language, right? It's that simple. Alright, so I'm just backing up the save files here. Once it is finished backing up, guys, I'm gonna be back. Alright, so once I download install WinRAR, be able to just go here, add to song RAR, and it will back up the files on them. This is very important. Alright, so once it is finished backing up, guys, I'll be back. Guys, it is almost finished backing up, so we're gonna start the update process, right? So let it finish backup. Very important to back up the song folder and the exe folder, and it's finished backing up here. So this is all the songs and then the exe. Right, now we're gonna proceed to the update now. Alright guys, we are back. I also delete the part 1 and part 2 because I want to show you how to extract the patch, right? So this is part 1 of the 1.1 update, and this is part 2 of the 1.11 update. Alright, do not extract part 1 and part 2. What you will do is you're going to extract here. Alright, So that is what you're gonna do. Extract part 1, part 2. So I'm gonna do it again. This is part 2 of 1.11. So you're gonna do here. You have to get WinRAR, then extract like this. Right, and that's how you do it, guys. Right. So now we go to the game. Right. We can. Like a shortcut here. Copy this, right? Make sure and copy that. Go to the update, and I'm gonna start the update now. Alright. Select a language. Next, and then so the update is going to here, this folder, right? Or you could just browse it. See? Right? Click yes. Alright, oh, this is the person's computer, so I'll just name it as Andrew. Next, and let it unpack, right? Let it unpack. Alright, so it's finalizing. So make sure and select where your game is installed to use the update, right? So this is gonna take a little while, guys. Alright, this is gonna take a little while. So I will just let it finalize, and once it's finished, I'll be back, right? So stay tuned. So that you all follow that step. If you all watch this video carefully, just follow everything that I did, and I believe everything should be alright. Alright, so stay tuned, and I'll be back, guys. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, so it's finished, right? What you want to do is leave it here, and you want to click finish. Leave it and verify all game files, and click finish. Alright, should be verifying all the files now. Just give it a while and it will finish, right? If you encounter any errors, we will try to fix it. Alright, but just let's wait. I don't think this should take long, so I'm gonna let the video run for a little while. If it's taking too long, maybe I will just cut off part of the video, so you wouldn't have to wait until it's finished checking. But just to show you all that if everything will go alright, you will know. So let it finish checking all the files, right? It shouldn't take long. I'll have to speed up this process if it's too slow, but just watch and everything should be alright. Okay, if in case we have any errors, then we have some backups that we could use. Alright, if this song is giving problems, we have backups that we could use to fix those errors. So watch carefully, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope that this video will take me to 10,000 subscribers, guys, because I went out of my way today. I was supposed to do something else today, because I saw so many Discord server having these errors. I had to do this video to help you guys. Alright, so we have one error here. Hold on, I'm gonna take a screenshot of the error. Alright, so we just have one error here, right? File not found. So we're gonna fix that problem, right? As you see, everything else is good. Just one file is giving problem. Just click exit, and what you will do, go back to the game, open file location, and let's see that song file. All right. So you see, that's the reason why we back up. So we put back this file, and now we're gonna start the game and see if we have any song problems, right? Now I wouldn't be able to play the full music because I will get copyright strikes, but I'll be back, right guys? So as you see here, as I show you all, everything is updated correctly, but just one song file was missing, and that's why we did the backup, right? So we're gonna start the game now and see what will happen. I'll be back. Alright guys, we're gonna start the game now, and you will see that this song issue actually is fixed in the game, and also my friend's mods and everything is still intact. Alright, so he's gonna start the game because apparently he's having song issues, internet issues with the parsec, so I'm not able to control the PC, but you will see that the song works. Let's come on, start up 1.1. as you see, the game is updated correctly, and everything is still there. As you see, tribute, everything is still there, soundtracks, custom soundtracks and stuff, and you could hear the music, but because of the internet, the connection to his thing, you wouldn't hear it too well, but the music works and everything. You all hear the music? The music works, but just that he is having some internet connection problems, and everything, as you see, all the superstars and all the mods and stuff is there. So guys, that is how you fix the sound problems. Just make sure and back it up, back up your files, and if you have any error, you just will replace it. So as you can see, the game exe did not delete. The game is updated properly and everything. If you're missing DLCs, all you have to do is add any DLCs. I have a video for that from 2K24. The same process will work for WWE 2K25. So as you can see, it's showing you everything that is still intact after updating. Not any mods and things didn't disappear. See? Wow. See? Alright guys. Guys, you see the song is working. Everything is working. I don't know why the DLC is not working for him, but maybe if you add back the saves, it should work. Alright, so guys, this is the end of the video. As you can see, the song and everything is working. If you're missing DLCs, just add them in, and if you're having problems, just join the Discord server and I'll try my best to help you guys. Alright, but as I just see with this update, the exe did not disappear. We only had one error, and that was the song error, and that's why we back up the songs, so that we just replaced that missing file and everything worked properly. Alright, So guys, I believe this is a free tutorial. This will be a free tutorial, guys. Everything works well. If you're missing DLC, just add them in. Alright, and remember to back up your saves and stuff. If you need help, just join the Discord server, guys. This is Classic Games United here with another successful tutorial. So guys, see you in the next video to come. Take care and bye. Classic Games United out. I have some more videos to do today. I might not have time, but I will try and do these videos today. So thanks for watching. Hope that this was helpful, guys. Thanks for everything. I just want you all to have more faith in me and stuff, that I know what I'm doing. I've been doing tutorials for a while now. So thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this. And take care, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.